Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for the week of October 24th through the 30th, and you'd think that I would do some kind of Halloween spread, but no, I'm saving it all for next week. I'm actually going to be using these stickers that I got from the Planners Gonna Plan conference, and these are from Rachel B Studios, and this is the self-care sticker sheet. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually write in the days of the week using my Benu Euphoria, and it has, oh, I love this ink, Colorverse Hayabusa Glistening. So it's this gorgeous purple ink with gold shimmer. How fun is that? And I've used up all of this sample that I got. And draw the line down. Yes, I am drawing a line without a ruler. I know, I'm crazy. See, and I made that mistake there. That's okay. So then, let's put this back on here. Then I'm going to, which one do I want to use? I think I'm going to use this one. I think it's so important to make sure that I'm reminded of self-care, especially when it comes to work, because we can get so just in our own heads about work. And yeah, I think I can also add maybe a couple of these stickers from According to Allie. So I'm going to maybe take this one and I think this one. I'll take these two. And I'm going to save the rest of these for my cousin spread. Then I'm going to, let's see. I love her toile stickers. I think they're so pretty. I'm going to place this up here with, actually, maybe a little bit of the black washi. Maybe. So let's put some, I feel like that would overtake that. So I'm gonna put this overlapping and this overlapping just to create like its own cluster up at the top. And then down here, I'm gonna add like a teeny tiny butterfly. And it's so simple. That's all there is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings. So there's my overall finished spread. I think this is one of the quickest plan with me's I've ever done. I literally put down 5 stickers, and it's what works for me in my Hobonichi weeks. Like, this is what my weeks look like. You know, I don't have a very regimented layout. It's kind of just, I need a notes page to kind of jot things down and then organize my meetings and to-dos. So it is actually very simple for me to decorate because I don't have to put in a whole bunch of different formats or layouts. It's just put the stickers down and kind of jot down stuff here. All right, but that is it for me. I apologize firstly for like all the ink on my fingers. I just unboxed my ink swap from Olga. So lots of ink, but very fun. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, these are stickers from Rachel B Studios, and I got them in my Planners Gonna Plan swag bag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.